Yo, what is good with your boys? Today we have a ZV Best 1 haul. That's a ZV Best 1 haul, a jersey haul. So let's get straight into it. All their links will be linked down below. Anyways, let's get straight into it. This is the shorts, Nike shorts I got from their haul. Dry fit, look at that tag right there. Everything about it is amazing. Definitely do recommend getting that if you guys want that right there. All these items will be linked down below, so definitely go check them out. Yeah, that's what it looks like right there. Nike tag, everything about it is perfect. Definitely do recommend getting these if you guys want them. It will be linked down below on ZV Best, the best haul, best jersey website. And talking about jerseys, we got this Cavs jersey from ZV Best. So there you go, best quality. It says 2015 LeBron James right there. And yeah, look at that, size small. It's got Mitchell and Ness and those tags right there, Philadelphia. Everything about that looks perfect. Colors are 1-to-1. Everything about this looks 1-to-1, so I definitely do recommend getting the NBA tags. Everything about that looks perfect. Alright, this is the James. Yeah, this is the back of the hoodie. Says James right there, and yeah, 23, so that's crazy. NBA logo up the top, looks pretty nice. 1-to-1 quality. Definitely do recommend getting this if you guys want it yourself. Linked will be linked below, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, onto the last jersey of this haul that I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, alright, so last jersey of the haul is this Miami Jimmy Butler jersey. It's got the Jordan logo right there, Miami 22. Everything about that looks perfect. Butler at the back, 22, and of course the NBA logo. There's Butler, there's the NBA logo. Everything about it looks perfect. 22, nice red colors, looks absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the tags. It just shows, look, NBA statement edition, engineered 40. Everything looks good about that. Here's the actual tags. NBA Jordan logo, made in, like, don't know what that says, but anyways, here's all the tags. It's got the men's. Everything about that looks perfect. Definitely do recommend getting this if you guys want it yourself. It'll be linked down below, and all ZV Best's like information will be linked down below. The website will be down below. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for ZV Best for sending this haul out, and yeah, all their information will be linked down below, so definitely go check them out. They're the best jersey company, 1-to-1 jerseys, so definitely go check them out. Yeah.